Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study chapter 12 areas related to circles, exercise 12.1, question 3. So let's see from the textbook. Figure 12.3 depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter and each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So let's try to understand the question. So there is a archery is given to you. So you must have seen that they put the arrow and all, then it goes and pokes here center or here anywhere. So archery is there. So here if you see, that is gold ring is there, red is there, blue is there, black is there and white ring is there. So in this question we have to find out the area of each ring. Area of this yellow color region, area of this red color region, area of this blue color, area of this black and this white. And the measurement that are given to us is diameter of gold ring is given to us. The diameter is for gold, I'll write down here separately. For gold, the diameter is 21 centimeter. And then the width of each ring. So for example, if this whole thing diameter is 21 means radius will be how much? 10.5. So same way for this red band also the radius is 10.5. Sorry, here it is not radius, it is width. So same way for this blue ring also the width is 10.5 and for this white ring also the width is 10.5. Okay, so each width of the each ring is 10.5 and here it is radius is 10.5 and the diameter of the gold ring is 21. Now what we have to find out? Find the area of each band. So let's do one by one. First we will find out the area of this gold. So area of gold, it is a circle. So we have to put the formula of area of circle. So we know that it is pi r square and pi value, let's put 22 upon 7. Radius, we know that diameter is 21 centimeter. Radius means half of it. So 10.5 you can write, but instead of writing in decimal, I'll write it in fraction only. So radius will be half of it, right? So when we divide by 2, we will get the radius. So our value we write down 21 upon 2. Since the square is there, so 2 times. So now it is easy for us to calculate. So 2 times, 3 times 7, 21. And here 2, we can get 11 times. Now the remaining ones, 11 into 3 into 21, you multiply, you will get 693 and here you have 2 left. So we will get, if you divide this, we will get 346.5. Since we have found out the area of gold, so it is centimeter square because it is area. So now let's go to find out the area of red band. Okay, now you have to understand. Now area of the red band to find out. First of all, the center is here. So center is here and you take the red band. Then what we have to do? We will take the whole area of this circle. Okay, whole means center is here. So the whole thing from red and the gold together. Together if you take this together, if we find out the area of circle, we'll find out. From there, this much part we will minus it. So when we minus it, then we will get the area of this red band. Is it clear? So we will find out the area of red. So area of red means together we have to take whole thing. So that means we have to take red band plus the gold band. Together it becomes area of red. Oh, sorry. I mean together it becomes a whole area of circle this and from here we will minus the gold part of it. Okay, so whole thing we will find out, and from there only the gold part we will minus it, then we will get the area of the red band alone. So we know it is area of circle will be pi r square minus, and we know this also will be pi r square, because area of this whole thing, no, this whole thing, the area of this, and in that minus the area of this gold part. So now let's take pi is pi r square, right? So we will write together, that means here pi is there, so let's put it common. So now this r square, let's find out for red plus gold. For this radius will be what? Red plus gold together. The radius will be, center is here, from here to here. So radius will be how much? This is 10.5, this is 10.5, total 21. So here the radius is 21 and square is there, so square minus pi we have removed in common. Here the radius is, for gold radius is, for gold radius will be 10.5. 10.5. So this is also square. So now let's put the value. So pi value 22 upon 7. 21 square will give us 441 minus 10.5 square will give us 0.25. If you don't know, so what you do, remove this like this, remove the decimal, and this you multiply twice. Okay, so when you multiply, your answer will come 11025. Okay, this answer you will get it, but then afterwards you put the decimal. So after decimal, how many digits are there? After decimal, 1 digit, here 1 digit, so total 2 digits are there. So 1 2, put the point here. Okay, so like that you will get it, the answer. So now 22 upon 7, and if you minus, we will get 330.75. Now with 22 you multiply this whole thing, you will get 7276.5 and divide by this 7. And now if you divide, you will get it 1039.5 centimeters square. So this you got the area of the red band. So same way we have to do the area of now blue band, we have to find out. So exactly same way. Now the whole thing you will take, because center is here, right? Then the circle is here. So now you will find out the area of this circle. So area of this whole circle will be gold plus red plus blue. And from there we will minus this part and this part. So together this much we will minus it. So now area of blue will find out. Area of blue. As I told you, area of blue, how to get it? Whole thing we will take. That is gold plus red plus blue. So the whole thing we will take, area of circle we will find out. From there we will minus gold plus red. These two we will minus. Then we will get the area of the blue band. So let's write down. So what are the things are there? Blue band is there, plus red band plus gold band. So together from there we will minus red, red plus gold, that we have to minus it. Okay, means all three together. From there red and gold, these two, when we minus it, we will get the area of blue band. So now area of that circle is pi r square minus, it's also area of this circle, pi r square. So pi will be out. So now radius, blue, red, gold together, radius will be blue, red, gold. So together the radius will be 10.5, 10.5, 10.5. So total will give us 31.5 So radius is 31.5. Square it is, then minus pi we have removed common. So the radius for red and gold. For red and gold radius will be 10.5, total 21. So 21 square. So pi value 22 upon 7. This you square it, you will get 992.25. Then if you square it, you will get 441. Now if you minus, so this also same way you can do 31.5, remove the decimal and you multiply 2 times. So when you multiply, you will get this answer you will get. Okay, then decimal when you keep, after decimal you have 2 digits, so 1 to 2 digits, then put the decimal, so you will get this. Okay, so now 22 upon 7, this when you minus, you will get 551.25. okay, so now with 22 you multiply the whole thing, you will get 127.5, then divide with this 7. So what you will get? You will get 1732.5 centimeter square. Okay. So this is for area of blue band. Now we have to find out area of black band. For that also we will take the whole thing. The whole thing we will take. In that what are the things comes? Gold, red, blue, black. So we will take the whole thing and our value will be up to here, radius. Okay. So 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5. So together we will take the radius and find the area of this circle. From there we will minus gold, red and blue up to here. This we will minus. So when we minus, we'll get the area of black band. So for area of black band, we have to count gold, red, blue, black together because we have to find the area of this whole circle. Okay. So you have black plus, you have a blue plus red plus gold. Okay. So together you have area of circle. From there, these 3 we will minus. Okay. So blue plus red plus and gold we have to minus. So let's put now this also pi r square, then minus pi r square. So now pi in common, r square. For this radius. For this radius how much? Up to here, right? Up to here for the whole circle. Up to here the radius 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5. It gives us 42. So 42. Square is there, square. Minus pi is in common. Here the radius blue, red, gold. Blue, red, gold. This much we have to minus, no? This much part. So 10.5, 10.5 and 10.5 will give us 31.5 square. So put the value of pi. 42 square will give us 1764. 31.5 square will give us 992.25. This you don't need to do the calculation because you have it here, blue, red, gold of this radius you have taken it here. So same value you are getting it, so no need to worry about it. See, blue, red, gold, radius you have already done it, so same thing you can put it and the same answer you can write it down. So now 22 upon 7. From here if you minus, we will get 771.75. So now with 22 you multiply, you will get 16978.5 divided by 7. You will get 2425.5 centimeter square. So now you have to find out the area of white. So we finished the black band. Now you have to find out the area of white band. Also same way only. Now whole thing you have to take up to here. Whole area of whole circle you have to find out. So radius is, this is the radius of this circle. So area of this circle will find out. From there we will minus black, blue, red and gold. So if this much you minus, we will get the area of this white band. So area of white. So area of white to find out, you have white plus black plus blue plus red plus gold. From here this much we will minus, then we'll get the band of white. Then minus black plus blue plus red plus gold. Okay, so area of the whole circle is pi r square minus pi r square. Pi is common, so r square. Now we have to find out for this white, black, blue, red, gold. For this r square means the whole thing, right? How much it will be? 52.5. 52.5 square minus pi is in common, this radius, that is black, blue, red, gold. Black, blue, red, gold, already we have done it here. Black, blue, red, gold. So what is the radius we got? 42. So 42 square. So pi value you put, and this when you square it you will get 2756.25. 42 square, already we have done it here. 1764. So 1764. Now minus it, we'll get 992.25. Okay, so now with 22 you multiply the whole thing, you'll get 21829.5 divided by 7. So when you divide this whole thing, you will get 3118.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of the white band. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and God bless you.